it was different. It was chalk and talk method of teaching learning, the lecture method. But now this method has changed. And how it has changed? Because digitalization of education has taken place. The e-learning has come, and lots of computing is there, and robotics is there, and so many new things are coming up in the classrooms. Now we are having different types of teaching learning methods, like we are having augmented reality, we are having virtual reality, we are having coding, and we are having this robotics. So these things have brought about the changes in the teaching learning system. So the method of how to learn, it has changed. The blended learning has come. So the blended learning means that mostly the people say that it is a blend of the classroom teaching lecture method and the online teaching learning. But I say that it is the blending of life skills, and it is the blending of arts with the science, with the languages. So what I feel that right now the major change which has taken place, it is the integration of art into the education. I will not say into the science, integration of arts into the education, because everything is art. How it is art? Because when we teach the child how to think, there are different types of thinking, creative thinking. So creative thinking is an art. Art is not only the drawing of some figures, even just expressing something with the poetry, with the drama. It is an art. And how the science is expressed through the art that our scientists have taught us. Last 300 years, the new discoveries have taken place, and lots of hypothesizing, imaginations, and all these things have happened. So the art is already there in the education, but we are realizing it now that the art is there. Like when we were studying in our classes, or we were teaching the students, so we are saying, okay, this is science, and this is maths, this is SST, this is English language. So we were just talking like that. But today we find that art is everywhere. In all the subjects which we are teaching, we are having all these life skills, art, and a new concept has come into the education right now all over the world. And especially now we are trying to introduce the educators, the CBSE, the NCERT, and even I want to say the universities also. STEAM. Now the STEAM, it is very easy to understand. First it was STEM, science, technology, engineering, and maths. But now it is STEAM. Only art we have introduced into this acronym. And even now the third stage has come, where stream, it has become stream, where reading is introduced in that. So when I am contacting some people from the big universities, IITs, NITs, I am talking to my colleagues who are working there, my relatives who are working there. They are telling me that now corporates are asking us that what is the emotional quotient of the students, apart from their scholastic area, how much co-scholastic they have done, how many events they have organized, and what is the other result, co-scholastic result. Because we want the people who can connect with others, who can be unstressed in the stressful situations. So now all the transformations which I have discussed with you, the blended learning, the hybrid learning, the augmented realities, and all that, and integration of art and science has brought about such a change that in any university, if I will say that it is only engineering university, it will be incomplete. When I say the humanities are there, the music is there, the designing is there, and maybe some other psychology, such subjects are together. So then only we'll say that it is a complete university.